This is a national emergency. We interrupt regular programming. This is not a test. We bring you this emergency action notification message at the request of the United States government. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this message to participate in the emergency alert system. We repeat, this is not a test. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WKKY. We will continue to serve the Boston metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system, serving the Boston metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be left open for emergency use. We interrupt regular programming at the request of the United States government. This is the emergency alert system. All regular programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WKKY. This station will continue broadcasting news, official information, and instructions for the Boston metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully for announcements from the station in your local area. We interrupt regular programming at the request of the United States government. This is the emergency alert system. All regular programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WKKY. This station will continue broadcasting news, official information, and this is an attack warning. An attack warning means that an actual attack against this country has been detected, and that protective action should be taken. Important information will follow. This is a national emergency. Please be advised, at 1:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of 300 Russian missiles. These missiles are believed to be carrying nuclear warheads. Locations impacted include Boston, Massachusetts, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Las Vegas, Nevada, Los Angeles, California, New Orleans, Louisiana, Hartford, Connecticut, Springfield, Massachusetts, New York City, New York, Buffalo, New York, Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, and Providence, Rhode Island. Due to the large amount of fallout expected, all residents of the continental United States should seek shelter now. The following action should be taken as soon as possible. Stay calm, and make your way to the nearest fallout shelter. If there is not a fallout shelter in your area, go to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business, or to a basement. Do not leave your shelter. If you leave your shelter, you may be exposing yourself to radioactive fallout. Exposure to radioactive fallout can lead to extreme sickness and death. Radioactive fallout is an after effect of a nuclear detonation. Radioactive fallout can travel up to 400 miles outside of the point of detonation. Therefore, we advise all residents of the continental United States to seek shelter now. More information will follow as soon as it becomes available. This concludes the current broadcast of the emergency alert system.